The Immortal Group IG window visor is tailored specifically for the Ford Ranger SuperCrew from model years 2012 through 2018. So the fit looks factory and not like an afterthought. Its Mugen-inspired profile gives the truck a sportier side silhouette while still keeping a low enough profile that it does not look bulky or out of place. The visors used tough, impact-resistant acrylic that stands up well to ultraviolet exposure and everyday scratches, so they stay clear and presentable over time. By channeling rain and wind away from the side glass, they let you crack the windows for fresh air in wet or foggy conditions without soaking the interior. Installation is straightforward thanks to the pre-applied automotive-grade tape, which holds firmly once positioned correctly and pressed down along the edges. Once installed, they feel solid at highway speed with no noticeable whistling or vibration, adding real day-to-day comfort without creating new annoyances.